These are the most beautiful villages in all of Italy. The Cinque Terre are a collection of 5 gorgeous villages along Italy's epic Italian Riviera coast. The towns are tiny and are special in their own unique ways. There's Riomaggiore, the most southern village and known for its small harbour, tiny beach, and quality restaurants. It's also the end of the famous Via dell'amore hike. Slightly north is Manarola, the second smallest of the Cinque Terre towns, and possibly its most ancient. The town is one of the most picturesque and has a rocky harbour which is great for a dip on a hot day. Right in the middle you can find Corniglia. This village is a bit different from all the others because it doesn't have any access to the sea. It's located on top of a 100-metre high cliff which gives you an epic view. Down the hill you can find Vernazza, which is probably the most iconic of all the villages. It's drop-dead gorgeous and famous for its colourful houses and lively square. Next to Vernazza lies the most northern village, Monterosso al Mare. This village is much bigger than the other ones and is the only town where cars are allowed. It's home to some of the bigger hotels and has lots of choices for restaurants and bars. When you travel to Cinque Terre, you can swim and relax, enjoy great food and wine, and you can get active. There is a dedicated train line that travels between the villages, but if you're adventurous, you need to put on your hiking boots and hike your way through the UNESCO World Heritage National Park that connects all the villages. There are dozens of hiking tracks, and they take you along the coast, up the hills, and through the vineyards and other hidden villages. And at the end of the day, there's no better way to appreciate the Cinque Terre than returning from a hike and enjoying that epic sunset with a spritzy drink.